Welcome to Working with JSON. After watching this video, you should be able to parse JavaScript Object Notation, otherwise known as JSON, data from a Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP message. JSON is the standard format for Application Programming Interface, API Data Exchange. It is the standard representation of native JavaScript objects, and Node.js handles it easily. In this example, the object consists of attribute-value pairs. The first attribute is company, and the value is IBM. The second attribute is country, and the value is USA. The third attribute is headquarters, and the value is Armonk, New York. To parse a JSON string to a JavaScript object, use method JSON.parse. Method JSON.stringify converts a JavaScript object to a JSON string. Now that you know what JSON is and two important methods that you can use to parse a string into JSON and also convert JSON into a string, let us see an example of using a real endpoint that returns JSON. You can use JSON to find out how many astronauts are in the International Space Station, or ISS. You have found that the number of astronauts is 5. In this video, you learned that Node.js handles JSON easily. And you can use two important methods to parse a string into JSON and also convert JSON into a string.